Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pay with Bitcoin from Binance. First, ensure your Binance account is fully verified and funded with the necessary Bitcoin. This verification is crucial for enabling withdrawals and maintaining security. Next, you'll need to obtain the recipient's exact Bitcoin address and confirm the correct network to avoid any transfer issues. We'll walk through each step to make your payment process smooth and secure, ensuring your funds reach their destination without a hitch. To begin, log into your Binance account and navigate to your spot wallet. Locate Bitcoin from your list of assets and select the withdraw option. This action will open the withdrawal interface where you'll input the payment details. It's absolutely critical to accurately enter the recipient's Bitcoin address. Double-check every character, as an incorrect address could result in irreversible loss of your funds. Always confirm the network type matches the recipient's wallet. Once the address is entered, specify the exact amount of Bitcoin you intend to send. Binance will display any associated transaction fees, which are typically a small fraction of the total. Crucially, select the correct network, for example, BTC for the Bitcoin network. After entering the amount and network, carefully review all the transaction details on the confirmation screen. This is your last chance to verify everything before the payment is processed. Confirming the withdrawal will then initiate the transfer. After confirming the withdrawal, you'll typically be prompted to complete security verification steps, such as entering a two-factor authentication code or email verification. Once these are done, your Bitcoin payment will be sent. You can monitor the transaction's progress in your Binance withdrawal history, where you'll see its status. Remember that Bitcoin transactions require network confirmations, which can take anywhere from 10 minutes to several hours, depending on network congestion. The recipient will receive the funds after sufficient confirmations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.